Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable automatic updates on Windows 10 using the built-in settings menu. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key +I on your keyboard to open the settings window. Next, click on Update and Security from the list of options. Now select Windows Update from the sidebar on the left, and then click on Advanced Options on the right side. Inside the Advanced option, make sure the following settings are enabled. Receive updates for other Microsoft products. When you update Windows, this ensures that Office and other Microsoft software are updated automatically. Download updates over metered connections. Enable this if you want to get updates even on limited or mobile connections. Restart this device as soon as possible when a restart is required to install an update. This allows your device to restart automatically to finish installing updates, but only when you're not actively using it. And that's it. Automatic updates are now enabled on your Windows 10 device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.